Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to buy BNBs with Binance.com. So all you need to do is you go to the top menu and you browse over buy crypto, and here you have the options. I recommend the first two, bank deposit or credit card. With bank deposits, you will pay 0% fees, but the transfer will usually take 1 to 2 business days to be completed. If you want to choose this option, bear in mind that you will be transferring euros. So for instance, 100 euros. And then you click continue and confirm, and then you use these details to do the transfer. Once the funds are in Binance, you will need to trade fiat for BNBs. So actually the easiest way to do it is you go again to this menu and you choose credit cards. And then you just type the amount that you want to buy. And in this pick list, you are going to search for BNBs. And this way you are buying BNBs directly. So all you need to do is you just click buy BNBs and the transaction is instantly completed. Once this is done, you will need to send your funds to your wallet. And this is actually very easy. So you go to wallet, fiat and spot, and then you click withdraw, and after that you just click on this pick list and you type BNB. You choose BNB, and then you will need to paste here the BNB address of your wallet. So for the Binance chain wallet, you just go here and you just click this icon to copy the address. Then you go back to Binance and you pasted it here. And then regarding the transfer network, you will choose this one. So the Binance Smart Chain BSC, so BEP20, and then type the amount of BNBs that you want to send. Bear in mind that there is a transaction fee. So after filling this information, you just click submit and it will take some minutes for the transfer to be completed. If you want to send funds to MetaMask, the process is similar. So you just go to MetaMask, make sure that you are on the smart chain, and then you just copy the address by clicking here. You go back. Instead of this, you just paste the MetaMask address and you choose the BEP20 transfer network. You just put here the amount of BNBs that you want to send and you click submit.